Hi folks, Dr. Ed Beyer. Today we're going to talk about reason number 6 for ADD and ADHD. First thing you need to understand, if you've seen my prior videos, ADD and ADHD and all the spectrum disorders, Asperger's, autism, really is a brain developmental disorder. The areas of the brain that allow us to focus, pay attention, control our impulses, to have awareness of our own body, those areas of the brain have not fully developed. It's that simple. Okay, don't complicate this. There are many, many reasons why that can happen. Today we're talking about one of them, and that is inflammation. You need to understand, in our brain, for every neuron that we have 10 immune cells protecting it. These cells are called the microglial cells. These immune cells are very, very sensitive to things that don't belong in the brain. That's why things like meningitis and brain infections are so serious. When our body is inflamed, these immune cells become inflamed also in our brain, and they will not allow the neuron to develop. So when we're looking at children with AD and ADHD, controlling inflammation is absolutely crucial for our exercise program for the brain development to be successful. So we have to look at any inflammation that may impede brain development. The number one cause of inflammation in anybody's body, including our children, is what we put in our mouths, our dietary inflammation. The number two cause are food sensitivities, which we test for in all of our children and all of our chronically sick patients. And then the number three cause are hidden infections. And what impedes this a lot of times is, and what activates our immune system, is when we have poor gut flora. And we'll talk about that at another time. But you need to understand that these inflammatory states in our children do not allow the brain to develop, nor will they allow us as functional neurologists to work with the child and develop that brain through activities unless we control inflammation. It's such an important part of care. When people are chronically sick, folks, I will tell you, the one common thread in all chronically unhealthy people, whether they're children or adults, is inflammation. Controlling inflammation is paramount to health. I hope that helps. I'm Dr. Ed Beyer. We'll talk to you next week.